Hi, I'm Lynn Marie Rosenberg and I'm not wearing any pants. This is an incredibly honest tutorial on how to put especially tight pants on immediately after moisturizing your legs. For the record, these are actually bathing suit bottoms, but ultimately I think we all have to agree that bathing suit bottoms are really just underwear. I have just moisturized. This is coconut oil, which is what I use as a moisturizer. You can use a commercial moisturizer, but you should ask me about it because I don't think you should be using one. And now, this is how you put on really tight pants after doing that. It's mostly just like putting on regular pants, except that it's gonna feel really disgusting. So the issue is that you're not gonna, especially if you've got like significant hips and thighs, you're not going to be able to get the fabric around the moisturized leg. Do you know what I mean? Because like it's sticky. There's some dancing that has to happen. The more you can stretch a leg out to the side, the better. And then that's like, this is probably the most important part. There's a hoist. You really want to get that crotch up in there. You know what I mean? Because otherwise it's just gonna, oh yeah. And then that's it. That's all you need to do. I'm sweating. I'm actually sweating. It's exhausting. I hope that was really helpful.